Guys, I bought a massage seat. I need these massage seats. I tried in my friend's house, a similar brand. This is a different brand, so I'm gonna review it in another video. Today is just the unboxing. It's quite big, right?
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away.
So I found anywhere that I could place these seats, and that is my brown sofa. I mean, sometimes I do take to my bedroom. You can sort of lean that against your headboard as well, and have a full board massage. When I say full, it's not your legs or anything like that, but you can actually have head massages as well. You have to just sit a bit lower, and this thing goes, grabs your neck and your head. And guys, it's the most amazing feeling. So, my loves, trying for the first time. Oh, guys, feels amazing already, but I have to take my jumper off for the full experience. I've got the robe on, and I definitely going to be able to get the full experience now. So let's try this bad boy. There's a demo switch, and you can sort of press that to get the full experience of what, you know, all the programs that is already programmed there that you can do separately. You can get that in that demo, but I think I'm just trying to think which one is better suitable for me. Guys, this thing is sending me to sleep. I mean, it feels amazing already. Feels bloody amazing, guys. I mean, I see if I can put a link for you guys here, and I would love to get some, you know, discounts for you guys, but I'm not that big of a channel yet. Hence why you need to subscribe to the channel so we can start getting these deals, you know. Do that, smash that like button, and press the notification button as well, guys. This is a amazing seat to have, especially if you're going through stress, depression, or some sort. This actually helps, guys. I was there for hours, but I'm gonna come back as well with a full in-depth, like, you know, review for you guys. All right? Yeah. These blue lights, they're actually the mechanics of these, what does all the massages. It goes deep. It's like a fist. It's like, you know, it can be very painful, guys. I did scream, you know, for the first 2 days because I was that tense, that sore with all the stress and traumas and all of that. You know, look, it goes all the way up. It travels, goes up. It grabs every corner, every little love handle you have, muscles, whatever. Guys, this is amazing. I mean, I'm definitely going to come back and talk about this more in depth. But yeah, I am so pleased that my friend introduced me to this massage seat because, guys, it has changed things for me. I was thinking about going to a Chinese massage place, and you know, imagine doing that twice a month. It's quite a lot of money. So by having this at home, whenever I feel tense, I feel stressed, just, you know, look how many information there is there for you guys. And I hope if you are suffering from any type of stress, pain, back pains, and, you know, all sorts, get one of these. I mean, I'm not sponsored, guys. I wish I was, but it just feels so amazing, and I want to share. So this one is a HOMEDICS because my friend one's is more, I think she bought from somewhere else, and mine, it feels more mechanical. It feels more like heavy compared to my friends. Mine seems quite, obviously, also the price is much more than the one my friend bought it. So yeah. So it's time to relax. So I'm going to have this afternoon just for myself with my cup of tea. I'm going to enjoy this sit, guys, and, you know, going to get this board massage going. I hope you enjoyed this video so far. Please smash the like button, subscribe to my channel, and go and watch my other videos. I've got over 200 videos available. Support the channel, guys, because it helps a lot by subscribing. And I appreciate you guys. Thank you so much for those who are already supporting this channel. I appreciate you guys. Thanks a lot. I have to confess, guys, I overdone it. I stayed in this chair for a good 3 hours, guys. 3 hours. It was that amazing. I didn't want to, you know, go to bed. Basically, I stayed there for until very late. But I woke up with a lot of pain. If you know, it's like everything you do in life. If you overdo it, even drinking water, you're gonna cause you some type of a problem, you know. So anything that is done by excess, too much of it, it causes some type of
problem. So I did that. Next day I was absolutely aching, but also let's not forget how much stress and trauma I've been going through. So my muscles itself, they're very tense, very painful, you know. So yeah, so that's that, guys. And just finding another position to kind of sort of a more of a lying down position, and with that I'll be able to therefore get also a head massage, because the way I sort of tilt the chair and lean slightly different angle, it's almost like a 90 degree angle type of sort of a situation that I've got going on there. It allows that to reach the back of my neck and all the way to the nearly the middle of my head, which is fantastic. So yeah, guys, I'm enjoying the full experience, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Reading the manual, guys, always read the manuals. And a lot of people don't like to read the manuals. I became one of these people, but when it comes to something like this, it's good to know what exactly this item does, and I want to learn if there's any other, buttons I need to press to do certain things. So it's important, but it's quite straightforward, and it has a blue LED light, the lead light, like very nice at nighttime while you're relaxing. You see that a beautiful interface there, which is the blue lights and the buttons. And guys, you can just sit there and forget about the world. Absolutely forget about the world. Is that amazing, guys? Oh my God, I'm so glad that I was introduced to this chair, and I hope you guys can get some benefit out of it if you decide to buy. I'll see if I can put a link for you guys as well to go and purchase mine. I go from Very, and yeah, guys, like I said, definitely a great buy, especially for the time that of my life. I definitely need something like this. Definitely, it's better than having actually a man. It's better than your man, your husband, or whoever massaging you. Trust me on that. And you also are gonna enjoy your chair as well. You're probably gonna fight over this seat as well, guys. Okay.